Okay, so this is a Quooker hot tap, the Flex. Basically, once it's plumbed in, it will give you normal cold drinking water. It will also give you hot water, as with a normal tap, so you can adjust the flow. The nice thing about this Flex is that it has this hose which can be pulled out to help you rinse the sink, maybe wash your vegetables. But the main thing, obviously with a cooker, the thing that most people are interested in is the boiling side. So 2 presses here, 1, 2, and turn, and you get boiling water. Great for filling your saucepan before you do pasta or potatoes, obviously making tea and coffee, blanching vegetables. The Flex won't work when it's in boiling mode. So the Flex is only for when you're using normal temperature water. But a superb product, 2-year warranty. Yeah, we love them.